I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you questions based on probability. Here is an example where we are going to apply the counting principles. I select 3 cards without replacement from a standard deck of 52 cards. What is the probability that I select a king and then 2 aces? So we are looking for an event A where we have 1 king and 2 queens. Okay, so that's the event for us. So we need probability of this event. So we have 3 cards to be selected. From 52, right? Now in this case, it is a dependable event. If you select one, you cannot select the other, right? So it is dependable. So it is dependent event. So we can use permutation in this case. So that gives you the sample space as out of 52, we are selecting 3. 3. So that's the sample space. Now favorable is 1 king. As far as 1 king is concerned, we have 4 kings, right? So that means we are selecting 1k out of 4 k's. And here we are selecting 2 queens out of 4 queens, right? Now, when 1k is selected, 2 queens are selected. So that means it is an AND operation. Therefore, we'll multiply them, correct? So selecting 1 king out of 4 means from 4 we select 1 king. So that is the probability for king. And then, the number of ways. And for queen, from 4, we need to select 2, right? So those many permutations are possible. So the favorable will be product of these 2. Now we can easily write down the probability for event A. So the probability for event A will be ratio of these 2, n of A divided by n of S, which is 4p1 times 4p2. So that is number of ways in which we can select kings, and this is number of ways we can select queens. So that is 4p1 and this is 4p2. Divide by total number of ways, 3 cards will be selected out of 52. So that becomes the answer, right? So we have 4p1 times 4p2. Let's clear this. So what we have here is 4p1 times 4p2, so that's the numerator, divided by 52p3, and that is equal to 2 over 5525. So that becomes the answer for the given question, right? So I hope the concept is absolutely clear. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. And also watch my series on probability using counting principles to get all the concepts. Thanks for watching and all the best.